Hi, my amazing chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to make sweet potato fries in the air fryer for the first time. Let's see how these turn out. What I used to prepare this dish was a couple of nice-sized sweet potatoes, olive oil, cinnamon, sugar, and salt. With that said, let's get cooking. Start off by topping and tailing the sweet potato. Then, cut a slice along one side so that you have a flat surface to work with. This is safer for balancing the potato during peeling and cutting. If it's rolling around all over the place, you're more likely to slip with your knife and possibly injure yourself. Don't do that. Now, I hate peeling sweet potatoes just as much as I despise peeling regular potatoes, so I just use my chef's knife to make the cuts. I know it doesn't quite yield as much useful potato flesh as using a peeler, but that's okay with me. Once you've finished peeling the skins off, slice a few pieces lengthwise, about, an 1/8 of an inch thick. Then stack them on top of each other so they're sturdy and not slipping, and then cross-cut them into French fry-sized pieces. This is called a julienne cut. We're looking for as close to a julienne as we can without working too hard, because this isn't a Michelin-starred restaurant. After you've cut all the potatoes into fry-sized pieces, hit it with a couple drizzles of olive oil and salt. Here, I have a spritzer that I like to use. I'm a little heavy-handed. It keeps me from putting on too much glugs of olive oil. And here I'm using simple table salt, but any kind of salt will suffice. You just want to salt it like a French fry. There's too much to cook these all at once, so add the fries to the fryer basket in batches. You don't want to overcrowd it, or they won't cook properly, or it will take forever. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also use an oven on 400 degrees for about 40 minutes or so. If you do have an air fryer, fantastic. Cook these in it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we're going to take them out, give them a nice shake, maybe add a little bit more to it, and cook again for another 10 minutes. Once the timer is done, take out the basket, give the fries a good shake, and hit it with more olive oil and a dash more salt, and put it back into the fryer for another 10 minutes, again at 400 degrees. After this second timer is done, take them out, give them yet another shake, sprinkle on some cinnamon, and serve. Please let me know what you think. I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!